Hey everybody, how you doing? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. This is Oscar Ramos, your host, and in this I have a quick and sweet video for all of you. How to make money in crypto. Simple question demands a simple answer, and here it is. Now, which cryptocurrency are you going to use to make the money? Don't matter if you make $10, $100, $1,000, as long as you make money in crypto, right? Well, whether you are an expert or a beginner, a rookie, I'm going to assume that you are someone who is watching this video, probably learning the ropes. So I'm going to consider you to be a rookie, right? The first thing I'm going to tell you is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Don't go further than Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. So you should be looking at these two cryptocurrencies to get your possessions. And the most important thing in crypto to make money is percentages. If you can make me 10% of $100, that is $10. If you can make me 10% of $1,000, that is $100. If you can make me 10% of $10,000, that is $1,000. So it's all about percentages. If you can replicate the success that you get with a very small amount consistently, and you learn how to do it over and over and over, if I give you 10 times that, you will be able to succeed, and that is what matters at the end of the day. You repeating that and becoming a master of the game. I don't need to give you $1 million right now and let you figure it out. Start with $100 and start with Bitcoin and Ethereum if you're a beginner rookie but you want to make money. How? Using technical analysis. And I'm going to go to the most basic trends so you don't get too confused. I'm going to use the relative strength index, right? The RSI, which you see right here at the bottom. Basically, I'm looking at Bitcoin at the 4-hour view, and there, ignore all these drawings. There's just more things going on. But the RSI is called relative strength index. Basically, you want to buy when it's overbought, when it's oversold right here, and you want to sell when it's overbought right here. So if you'd have done that, buying here on July the 26th and selling here on July the 30th, in that case was 4 days later, you would have accumulated roughly a 17% gain. That is not bad. And we're talking about Bitcoin, the most resilient digital asset in the world, and one that is going to be with us for years to come. You see that? So this is a strategy that I like to repeat myself. So far in the 4 hours, we haven't touched the bottom of that RSI, meaning we don't have that entry to go all in or with a lot of money. And I will really recommend, not financial advice, you do whatever you want, it's your money, but I will really recommend going with a nice strong position, and then once it touches, selling. I made a position later on, in my personal portfolio, and I'm waiting for that overbought to sustain and to have break in the 25 and beyond to cash out and collect the profits. Every single time you see Bitcoin in the 4 hours overbought, oversold, that's when you want to come in and make a lot of money. You see? Quick and simple. Doesn't really take too much to understand. The RSI measures that sentiment of the market based on the price, if it's bullish or bearish. As you see, heading oversold region, you see that people are getting rid of the volume increasing. The sellers are going and beating the buyers. But once the level consolidates and stays there for a while, buyers come in and start eating those nice prices. So from now on, whether you have $10, $100, $1,000, or $10,000, it's all about percentages. You can make money in crypto. You can make it roughly in a week's period, in a month's period. You don't have to wait long term if that's not what you want to do. Some people want to collect profits in a weekly by weekly basis. That's the way I had to do it. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing here to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. We just passed 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you very much. And join the Discord as always. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.